Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 7 how to take a photo and then post to Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, download the Instagram app, and then we can click the application itself. And now make sure we are signed into the account and then go to your profile and now post a photo. Click the square with a cross inside. Go to the library, go to photos, enable the camera access. Yes, camera, go back again, and now we can take a photo. Change the filters. I'll leave it to normal. Click on next. Write a caption. Computer science videos. My iPhone 8 Plus. 256 gigabytes. A couple of more hashtags should do the trick. iPhone 8 Plus and Apple iPhone 8 Plus. Okay, we can tag people, add location, or post to our other social media pages. We will just share the photo. Go to your profile. The photo has now been posted to the account. And now we can go back to the home page. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.